Well, hi everybody. It's Friday, and then today, what should be very important here is that how our market is reacting on the particular levels here. Now, in terms of, let's talk about some of the texture points here. Number one, the market breadth overall in mid caps and small caps, that doesn't look concerning. It's looking quite stable. It's a positive point. Number two, the weakness in RIL has subsided. In fact, Reliance Industries has started gaining. Number two, that's a point of strength here, and that tells you that the downside looks limited. And why I'm saying like that, because of the point number three here. Point number three is that in terms of FNO, futures and options, no major directional positions being taken in the index futures, both Bank Nifty and Nifty. In fact, Bank Nifty futures are telling me there are no major short positions below 25,000. So 25,000, 25,200, those again are two good support levels. So till the time we don't break that, if we break that, then there's a cause of concern and panic here. But if you're not breaking and the range remains between 25,000 and 26,000, that again is a positive point here. Now again, then we talk about what is happening in the option here. What traders are doing actually, they are playing for a downshift, a lower drift, a gradual drift towards 10,180 and 10,250. Now, if there is a fall of 50 points or 100 points, I don't think so. You should be really concerned. Basically, it's an opportunity. Buy on dips. I think you should go and buy out, because I am thinking that FMCG stocks I think could be supporting the market today because of the GST related news. And then also basically what we are seeing is there is good buying happening across stocks which are slightly out of focus of the main high beta market. So perhaps it's an opportunity. I don't think so there is a major very deep downside here. It's a range of 10,110 or 180. Those levels are very important. 250 is an intermittent stop where the market perhaps could take a stop, but if not there, then I think 180 there would be a very strong support there. So perhaps I think the strategy would be let the markets drift, and then I think it's a good time to come and enter into the market. Now, in terms of what are the levels you should be watching for, Nifty I just told 320, 350 area, that's the resistance. Once you cross that and you close above that, then 500 becomes the next stop. For support, I just told 180, 110 with an intermittent stop around 250. That actually you should use for actually playing with your strategy. Bank Nifty, as I just told, in terms of 25,500 level. But broad range of 25,000 to 26,000, 25,180 another support area. Which stocks you should be focusing on in terms of result outperformance? Den Networks, Aptech, Trent, VMart, then again Dishman, Carbogen. Again, those stocks basically have delivered very strong set of results here. Also in terms of bullish positions, I see stocks basically in terms of breakouts, so in terms of very high open interest additions. Stocks would be like Page Industries, Tata Global, V-Guard, and then also Pidilite, Amara Raja Batteries in particular, almost strong channel breakout there. So again, those stocks are looking quite strong here. Sector-wise, if you want to know, then sectors like jewelry, tea stocks, to an extent textile stocks, PSU banks ahead of SBI earnings, capital goods, FMCG in particular, the strongest of them all. Basically we're actually seeing buying here. Overall, I think if I just conclude, if I want to say to you, the global futures, those actually are not looking that weak, and also the Asian markets, those are looking quite strong. In terms of the recovery which is happening, so you started weak, but then basically you basically started seeing recovery as actually you progressed through the day. So broadly, again, I'm concluding by saying is that dips could be an opportunity to enter into the markets. If you're not in the high beta, then I think you're in a safe zone. And I think stocks like Page Industries, they are not high beta stocks. So basically, stocks like Page Industries, again, V-Guard or Amara Raja Batteries, you can be playing on stories. The markets are not looking bad.